Salam, guys, salam. Just a quick one. Just a quick one. And this is for you guys that has been hyping up the Faluda by Vida. Come get it. This tastes like crap. It's the worst Faluda I've ever had. I just spent 75 Rand on this. It's the worst Faluda that I've ever had. You guys go there to this one and that one and say, oh, this Faluda is amazing. It's the best. Nah, man. I thought this was gonna be refreshing, but I don't even get the Faluda flavor. All I'm tasting is chai seeds, frozen chai seeds, ice blocks. I don't even think there's ice cream in. A whole lot of cream. Nah, I mean, it just goes to show that you guys out there creating a hype for nothing. Julle maak vir ons geld mos.